Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Welcome to my aviation nuggets for today. Let's continue our session, everybody, regarding the APU. Yesterday, we speak about the basic arrangement of the APU, and we say that, everybody, that the APU 3 main module is the power section, which is a small gas turbine engine, provide mechanical shaft power to rotate the load compressor to supply the aircraft with bleed load demand, and also the mechanical shaft power rotate an accessory gearbox which has the mounted APU generator to provide the aircraft with electrical power. So the basic arrangement of the APU 3 main module, power section, load compressor, and accessory gearbox. Power section, load compressor, and accessory gearbox, everybody. So that, do we have 2 compressors inside the APU? Yes. 1 compressor are meant for the power section gas turbine engine. And the second compressor, everybody, is a load compressor. Second compressor is a load compressor from its name. Load, to provide the aircraft with pneumatic load. Okay, everybody? Are meant for pneumatic load. Everybody. Okay, so as you can see here, everybody, the APU is a small gas turbine engine. Okay, provide mechanical shaft power to rotate load compressor and gearbox, or either a gearbox. In the old version of the APU, everybody, we were having only 1 compressor, which is the compressor for the gas turbine engine or power section. It play 2 roles, a compressor function for the gas turbine engine, and also we take bleed load or pneumatic sources from the same compressor. But there was a problem, everybody, that in that case, this APU was meant for reduced load. And having air from the compressor of the gas turbine engine or the power section was making a problem in the cooling or in supplying air to the turbine. Everybody. So that in the most sophisticated APU, the manufacturers divide this compressor into 1 compressor for the gas turbine engine or power section, and other compressor which is a load compressor. As you can see here, this is the more sophisticated design. We have 1 compressor for the gas turbine engine or power section, and another compressor, everybody, which is meant for load function to pneumatic ducts. You see here, this one is called a load compressor. And the air inlet duct and air inlet plenum supply air to both compressor. 1 compressor for the gas turbine engine function, and the other compressor for pneumatic duct and pneumatic load function. Okay, everybody? Okay, so as you can see here, this is the old design, small APU. Okay, everybody, we have only 1 compressor. Same compressor for the gas turbine engine power section and also to pneumatic ducts. But this was having a problem to the turbine and to the gas turbine engine. So as you can see here, we have a small turbine engine known as the power section driving a load compressor to produce pneumatic power. The accessory gearbox containing the electrical generator is also driven by the load compressor or the power section. Okay, so this is schematic for the APU or layout for the old APU. As you can see with this configuration, we can see that air is taken from the compressor when pneumatic power is required. Although such an APU layout is acceptable on smaller aircraft where pneumatic power demand is small. Okay, everybody, you see here, this schematic or this layout, which is one compressor for the power section and also play the same role for load compressor. Okay, this layout for a small APU for a small pneumatic load demand. Small pneumatic load demand, okay? It was found to be unacceptable on large aircraft as the air being drawn for the compressor for pneumatic purposes reduce the air going to the turbine for cooling purpose. So this design was having a problem to the turbine cooling, and the gas turbine engine will not work properly as the air taken to pneumatic load will affect the air going for cooling of the turbine. So for more sophisticated APU, this layout is the best. This layout is the best, everybody. Gas turbine engine power section has its own compressor for the gas turbine engine function. So we are assured of a good operation for the gas turbine engine, and we can split and having another compressor for the load function, for the pneumatic load function. Load compressor to pneumatic duct, everybody. Now we have gas turbine engine power section to provide mechanical shaft power to rotate a load compressor